So hello guys, welcome back to Saranat to Tech Zone. So in this video guys, I'm going to show you that how you can download a software called BlueStacks. This software BlueStacks in your laptop or desktop to emulate the games you desire to play from your mobile, like PUBG and Free Fire, those kind of games. Yeah, so stay tuned. If you're new to our channel, please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and also press the bell icon to see the further updates in our channel. And let's get started in the video. So guys, at first we need to choose a browser. So I'm using Chrome and Microsoft Edge. So I'm going to be choosing the Chrome browser. I like that very much. So after that, the interface has come. So let's click on the search bar, and there's already a BlueStacks. So I'm going to type BlueStacks again, and I'm going to hit the enter. Now you can see the first link, BlueStacks best mobile gaming platform to PC and Mac. So we're going to click on this one, I guess. And after that, you can see world leading Android gaming platform from PC, and you have a download link over here, download BlueStacks. If you scroll down, you can see play 2 million Android games with BlueStacks and everything. Android gaming on PC, many kind of things. Just click on the download BlueStacks, or I see we should click on the all view. Yes, and experience ultimate gaming. Yeah, let's scroll down a little bit to know the facts. And we can click on this download BlueStacks button. Now it's showing us that it's going to be downloaded here. So the main file has been downloaded. So let's just cross this. Now I'm going to replace all of these things and refresh a little bit. Let's go to the PC. And let me see, in the download folder I should open this one and drag it down to the desktop. Now just right click on your mouse, refresh, then again right click on the mouse, and you can see run as administrator. Just click on the red and as administrator. Now it will ask a permission, just click on yes. Now it will simply start. Now just click on install. Yes, this one, install. And now we can see that it's going to be downloaded, and we should wait. We can also see this kind of, you asked we deliver this kind of slideshows or something. So now you can see it's already downloaded. I've just paused the video, so you can see this kind of Android interface over here. You can see Play Store. You can see some system apps like Android, like File Manager, Chrome's. I can go to settings, and let's see. Let's go to the storage for now. Okay, it's giving 64 gigabytes, 3.97 being used. Okay, so it's kind of like an Android application or something. This Android operating system in your PC will help you to emulate the games now, and you can also play the games from your Android. Let's first, I think we need to go to the Play Store. I suppose so. Let's click on Play Store. Now we should wait. It takes a lot of time, I guess. It's taking so long. Okay, now we can click on sign in to find the latest Android games, movies, and everything. I think we should click on sign in, I guess. Yes, checking information is kind of lagging, so it'll take a little bit of time, but we can wait. Okay, so it's kind of going black and all. Checking information, rounding and rounding. I think it'll take a while. I should pause the video. Okay, so we can see email or phone. I've skipped the video, so just click on this one, and I'm gonna write my name and my password, I guess, the email address. I'm going to type in my email address. So this is going to take a little bit of while, so you should wait. Click on next, and it's loading a little bit. And okay, so it's Okay, I have to enter the password, so I'm going to enter my password, and you can also skip the video if you want to, and to go to the main parts. You know how to just sign into an account, right? Okay, so it's done. It should be loading a little bit. Okay, it's asking me if I agree or not to the agreement, so I click on agree. Getting account information, so this won't take a little bit. I think it will take a little bit of while, but it's okay. So if you're new to the channel, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and also press the bell icon. So yes, Google services. Okay, we can just click on accept, and there you have it, I guess. And the Google Play Store has been signed in, so you can also play download all the Android games you want to play on your PC or in your computer. So yeah, we can just scroll down. You can see many kind of things, top charts. Okay, we can go to for you, or we can also type PUBG for you if you want. PUBG, yeah. Yes, it's okay now. It's the PUBG has come. You can also see if you scroll down, you can see many games, Clash of Clans, many kind of games. So okay, okay, if you're new to our channel, then like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the further updates. So that's all, and enjoy your gaming on your PC. Bye bye.